In this video, I will show you how to contact Crypto.com customer service from within the app. So it's super simple. All you need to do is first, of course, open up the Crypto.com app, then in the top left, click on the three lines, then scroll down a little bit until you see settings, so click settings. Now here at the bottom, you will see support. So click support. Now there are a few different options right here, but if you want to talk to a real person, then you need to click on contact support. And then first you will see some FAQs here, but again, if you want to talk to a person, then click on send us a message. Now you will see typically they will reply within 2 hours. So simply click send us a message. And then here you can choose your language. I'll pick English. Then select the topic you need help with. So if it is one of these, then you can click on that. If it's something else, then just click on something else. For example, I'll click transactions and they will ask, what can I help you with? So for example, I'll go with crypto deposit. And for now you are still talking to a bot, but for example, if I click how to deposit crypto, and then they will show you how you can do it. And if I now click, I need further assistance, then now you can actually type a message and then a real person will reply. So that's how to contact Crypto.com customer service. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.